Our game will be coming to you live from St. Louis, Missouri. Thanks for joining us. Each of these teams looking to add a win to their record, and we're just about ready to...
You have called head. St. Louis has won the toss and chooses to receive.
They're lined up for the kickoff, so let's get this game started. Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends this one toward the end zone. Penalty marker down on the field. The return team watches it sail out of bounds.
Yeah, the return team loves it when that happens.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 40. On the run. Up the gut. Loses one tackler. Romanowski makes the play at the 47. Pickup of about 7. They need about 3. They line up in the I formation, searching for a seam. Spinorama, and he's brought down at the 49-yard line. Falk tried to find some room on that carry.
Right now, they need to keep going at the defense with a run. Sooner or later, they'll be able to break one for a big gain.
The ball is right at midfield. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Warner sends a man in motion. Falk looking for room. Can't bring him down. So he's picked up some good yardage and a 1st down on that run.
And I'll tell you what, the guys up front did a good job of creating a hole for him to run through.
It's 1st and 10. Warner gets set. Number 24, looking for room. Perella records the stop at the 41. He looked for some room on that carry.
Yeah, it looks like establishing a sound running game is one of their priorities today.
About 8 yards. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Falk gets the toss. Harris makes the play at the 40. Falk couldn't find much running room on that play.
When you run the ball in the first half, you're trying to keep the defense honest. But if you're only getting gains like that in the second half, that puts more pressure on your passing game.
About 6 to go. Ball on the 40-yard line. Warner sets up. Passing to his right. Great catch. And the defender brings him down at the 22-yard line. It's 1st and 10. They'll go with a pass. Passes it. Bruce, the intended receiver. Well, the quarterback did his part.
Any more of those, and he might find himself riding the bench.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Nickelback in this time. They'll go with a pass. Surveying the field. Gets the pass off. Number 31 stops him at the 4-yard line. Powerful arm display on that pass.
What a throw. He put everything he had into that one.
It's 1st and goal. Dropping back. Warner throws right, batted down. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Second down, goal to go. 4 yards to the end zone. He's looking to pass. Passes it. Number 86 was the intended target. The pass into the end zone falls is incomplete.
The quarterback tried to put that one through the receiver.
So now we have 3rd and goal. 4 yards to the end zone. And this is the 10th play of this drive. Back to pass. Warner with the pass. And it's caught. He really dumped it in there for the score.
Yep, that's the pass he had to catch. He was right there in the old breadbasket.
It's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. So over 10 plays were run on the touchdown drive, and it seemed that with each play they were able to get positive yardage and finally get it into the end zone. And they have to be very happy with the methodical way they were able to move the ball on that series.
When you're out there for as many plays as those guys were, you increase your chances of making a mistake. Penalty, turnover, blown play, whatever. But give them credit. They kept it together, and they walked away with a touchdown.
He shakes a defender. Oakland is down by 1 touchdown. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He's looking to pass. He's looking, rolling out to his right. Number 1 gets slammed to the turf. Inside their own 20. And we're ready to start the second quarter. Deep in their own territory. Only 1 man back. Looking to throw. Throws it out over to the left. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. He couldn't hang on.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass.
And they'll face a long 3rd down here. Ball on their own 15. Set. He's looking to pass. Lewis showed great speed in getting to the quarterback here.
Yeah, and the quarterback just had to take the hit, and that took a lot out of it.
Fourth down and a long way to go. Ball on their own 11. Set. He's looking to pass. Rolling out to his left. Number 1, throw. Rice was the intended receiver, and the defense stops them on 4th down.
A team will always be questioned when they go for it on 4th down and they don't make it. Obviously, the coach has faith in his players, or he had a specific play drawn up that he thought would give him a 1st down.
Back to pass. He's looking. Steps up into the pocket. Throws it. Just couldn't get that pass under control. Just couldn't find a way to control it.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy one.
2nd and 10. Looking to pass. Warner throws left. And he hits his target. Quick decision by the quarterback on that play.
This guy's just like a gunslinger. He's never in a position where he thinks the throw's impossible.
They're inside the 5. With the pass, Wilkins was the intended target. He had defenders applying intense pressure on that play.
I'm not surprised that that pass went incomplete. I don't think he could even see past that big old defensive lineman rushing him.
Wilkins comes into the game to try the field goal. The kick is up. Berger looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends it off. Kirby returns this kick. Loses the defender. Oakland needs 2 scores to get back into this one. 1st and 10. Ball on their own 37. They line up in the I formation. Quick drop. Breaks free of the defender. Loses one tackle. Tosses it over the middle. Gets his hand on it. The quarterback was feeling the pressure on that play.
I'm not sure how they got through, but the defense really wanted the quarterback. The defense needs to remember not to play too soft and give up big gains underneath. But they also don't want to play too tight and end up giving up a big play to set them up in scoring position.
Number 1, under center. Looking downfield. He reaches the quarterback.
Hey, if the coach has confidence in his quarterback, they'll probably throw for it. If he looks at the big picture and sees what could go wrong, he may just run it and send out his punt team.
They'll be faced with a long third down play here. Ball on their own 31. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Looking to pass. Looking for an option. Passes it out to the left. Rice was the intended target. He forced that pass into coverage.
This guy's got to buckle down and make some better reads out there.
Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. Looking to pass. The defense reaches him. It's 1st and 10. The Rams are in the offset I formation. To carry it, spins around. Dixon with the tackle at the 30. He went nowhere, John.
Went nowhere fast. This might be a place where they come out in a passing formation, but actually run the ball to catch them off guard.
On the carry. Breaking free. They look for room off tackle.
Committing to the running game will add effectiveness to your passing attack. When the defense is looking pass, you run. When the defense is looking run, you go downfield.
It's 3rd down and 6 to go. Ball on the 27-yard line. Warner sets up. He's going to throw. Throws over to his right. Woodson makes the tackle at the 19. He never hesitated on that pass.
This receiver can really do it all. He has speed, he runs great routes, and he can make catches on any kind of throw because he's got those great hands.
Warner under center. Quick drop. Throws it. Great catch. He's inside the 10. He delivered that pass right on time, perfectly for the touchdown.
The quarterback went through his progression, found the receiver that he thought had the best chance to haul it in for the score.
And it's up, and the extra point is good. Is back and ready to put this one in the air. He kicks it off. He's already looking upfield. I think he got his face smashed there.
That defender almost pulled his helmet right off.
We might see a quick pass here on 1st down. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 29. 4-man front this time. They'll go with a pass. Number 1, passing to the left. Nice reception. Breaks free. The 30. And the defender brings him down at the 15-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 15-yard line. He's going to throw. Passes it out to the left. Nice connection. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot. When the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up, and the ball's right there. And it's on its way. The point after is good.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 89 and number 82, deep to receive.
He gets the kick away. He takes this one upfield. Well, there's an injury on the play, and we'll go to the sideline as soon as we get the information. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 28. Tucks it away. Runs up the middle, and it looks like they'll mark it at the 34.
A good mix of run plays and pass plays is important. It helps you keep the other team honest out there.
They need 5. Ball on their own 34. On the carry. Breaks free of the defender. Gibson makes the tackle at the 43.
I don't think they need to try and throw one here since they've got the lead. I just take the half with a run and go from there.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 43. It's the end of the second quarter with the score. St. Louis 17. Oakland 7. And we're back. As they line up to kick it off, we'll take a look at each team's stats through 2 quarters. Berger will be kicking off.
Number 31 and number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Looking for a good return. Oakland needs 2 scores to get back into this one. Melissa, what's up?
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, that's good news because on the replay, it looked a lot more serious than that. He'll probably miss the rest of the game. And he's tackled at the 47. 1st and 10. The quarterback gets set with only 1 back behind him. Dropping back. Goes to the middle. Williams was the intended receiver. He couldn't bring that pass in.
Sometimes you see the receivers drop the easiest passes. They must be thinking touchdown before making the catch.
Ball right around midfield. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking downfield, and it looks like they'll mark it at the 43-yard line. And he picks up about 4. They're just about in field goal range. Dropping back. He surveys the field. Archuleta makes the stop at the 34-yard line. He breaks this one for a gain.
You know, you can run any defensive scheme you want. But I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
So they have 1st and 10 here. He's looking to pass. He's looking. And he's brought down at the 32-yard line. Number 1 did his best to make something happen there.
Yeah, but the defense contained him. There was no way they were going to let him out. They got after him pretty quickly there.
Now within their kicker's range. 4-man front this time. Looking downfield. He's looking with the pass. And he just can't hang on. Good pass, but no catch.
I'm not sure why he dropped that one. The quarterback delivered it right to him.
3rd and 8. Ball on the 32-yard line. Garner, the lone back. Drops back. He's looking. Williams makes the tackle at the 25.
Until they figure out how to slow down the runner, I'd keep giving them the ball.
It's 4th down and just about a yard to go. Ball on the 25-yard line. Back to pass. And he's brought down at the 19. He finds some room up the middle and gets the first.
The line did a great job there of blocking the backside pursuit, which helped them get the 1st down.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking to pass. Rolls right. Surveying the field. With the pass, the defender's got it. He's out to the 30, the 40, the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Touchdown, St. Louis. He forced that one.
I'll tell you, these interceptions are all about timing, and he timed that jump perfectly.
The kick is up, and the extra point is good. Berger in to kick this one off.
Number 17 to kick off. Number 31.
He sends it off.
42 to receive.
Kirby is looking to pick up some blocking. The Raiders have their work cut out for them as they take over at the 17. So they have 1st and 10 here. Number 1 gets set. Dropping back. Stepping up. Looking for an option. Tosses it right. Great catch. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 41-yard line. Williams makes the catch, his first of the day. It's 1st and 10. Number 1 gets set. They'll go with a pass. Looking for a receiver. Rolling out to his left. And he steps out of bounds at the 49. Picked up 9 on the play. Ball at about midfield. So we've reached the end of the 3rd quarter with the St. Louis Rams ahead of the Oakland Raiders. 24-7. 2nd and short. He's looking to pass. Steps up, looking for an option. And he's stopped at the 47. Well, he tried to turn that one upfield, but was met with heavy resistance.
The defense didn't over-pursue on that play. They were in great position to stop him before he got very far.
So they have 1st and 10 here. 4-man front this time. Drops back. Looking downfield. And he stopped at the 43. They try the ground attack again.
Yeah, I guess they're not ready to abandon that running game yet. But at some point, you need to start putting some points on the board.
It's 2nd down and 6 to go. Ball on the 43-yard line. Looking to pass. Looking downfield. Rolls out to his left. Passes it. And he can't hang on. That pass falls incomplete.
It looks like he may have tried to rush that pass.
It's 3rd down and 6 to go. Dropping back. He surveys the field. Archuleta records the stop at the 34-yard line. He's starting to make his presence felt out there. It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 34-yard line. 2 minutes to the final gun. They're in field goal range. Only one man in the backfield. Looking to pass. Number 8 throws. Knocked down. That pass was bad.
If you don't take your time and you start to rush your throw, that's what you're going to see happen.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 34-yard line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Drops back. Makes the stop at the 29. They go back to the run.
Maybe they're trying to set up a little play action. At this point, I'm not sure how much the defense is going to spend watching the run.
Let's check in with Melissa.
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is definitely complete.
Melissa, thanks for the update. And obviously, we're very happy that it's not that serious. A field goal does them no good, and they have to go for it. It's 4th down now. 5 yards to go. Nickelback in this time. Quick drop. Throws over to his right, and he slips out of bounds at the 20. And with that catch, he has his first of the day.
First down may be where they try something towards the end zone, since they'll have 3 more downs to work with after that.
10th play of his drive. Dropping back. Number 8 lets it fly. Perry got in there for his first tackle. That was flawless execution.
That one was all about timing. The quarterback let it go, and the receiver looked back just at the right time.
First down and goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. Number 8 gets set. He's looking to pass. Rolling out to his left. Looking for an option. Gets rid of it. Knocked down. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. I doubt we'll see any blitzing from the defense from this point on. Second and goal. The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. Quick drop, stepping up, looking for an option. The protection breaks down, and he's sacked. Third down now, and goal to go. Passes it. Nice connection. The defender was caught out of position on the score.
Yeah, the defenders were looking one way while the play was going the other.
The Raiders are going to need a lot of luck now.
This team can put up some points, but this might be a little too deep a hole.
And it's up. The point after is good. The Raiders still find themselves way behind.
They've already given themselves a cushion. They can pretty much run any play they want.
Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 89, number 82, deep to the seat.
He kicks it off. He fields the kickoff cleanly. St. Louis is starting to pull away. Looking to end the game, they'll probably call a simple run play here. It's 1st and 10. Looking for blocker. Loses one tackler. Beaker stops him at the 39. He tried to find a hole and just got what he could.
Yeah, he tried to stretch it outside, but the defense was quick to react to the play, and even quicker to move off their blocks and get in a position to cover the holes. Now with little time left, a rushing play should be a good call here.
And it looks like an offset on. Number 42 moves in motion. The final score is St. Louis 24, Oakland 14. On behalf of EA Sports, John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying goodbye and inviting you to join us in our next presentation of Madden NFL 2003.